Hi everyone. Let me begin with a simple question. How do we predict tomorrow's weather? How does a guitar produce sounds? How does heat spread in a metal rod? And how do banks calculate financial needs? The answer to all these questions involves one powerful mathematical tool, that is partial differential equations. Today, I am going to present the topic application of partial differential equations in real life. Although PDE may look complicated in textbook, they play a very important role in science, engineering, medicine, and financial. Through this presentation, I will show how partial differential equations deeply connected to the world around us. Now, what is partial differential equations? A partial differential equation is an equation that involves partial derivatives of a function with respect to more than one variable. In simple words, partial differential equation describes how a quantity changes in both space and time. For example, temperature changes from place to place and also with respect to time. Air pressure varies across locations and over time. Water flows depends on positions and time. So, whenever something changes continuously in space and time, the PDE is used to describe and predict that change. Now, let us see the applications of partial differential equations. One of the important applications of partial differential equation is heat transfer. When one end of a metal rod is heated, the heat slowly spreads to the other end. This process is described by the heat equation. Engineers use these equations in cooling system of cars, preventing overheating in computers, industrial temperature control. So, partial differential equations help ensure safety and efficiency in many machines we use daily. The another major application is sounds and vibrations. When we pluck a guitar string, it vibrates and produces sounds. So this motion is described by the wave equation. It is also used to study sound waves and light waves. So whenever we used to listen music or study wave motion, partial differential equations are behind the scene. The next application is fluid motion. The motion of fluids such as air and water is described by the Navier-Stokes equations. These equations are used in designing airplanes, studying ocean currents, predicting weather, and modeling blood flow. The modern weather forecasting depends heavily on solving these equations. The next application is finance. Partial differential equations are also used in finance. The Black-Scholes equation is used to calculate price and stock options. Financial institutions use it to manage risk, predict market trends, and make investment decisions. This shows that partial differential equations influence not only science but also the global economy. Finally, partial differential equations are very important because they describe natural laws, help us to predict future events, improve technology, and support scientific research. So, they connect mathematics with practical life. So, what we can conclude here is that partial differential equations are not just mathematical expressions written on paper. They are powerful tools that help us to understand heat, sounds, fluids, finance, medicine, and weather. They allow us to model the world, predict the future, and solve the real life problems. This shows that mathematics is not just theoretical, it is practical, meaningful, and essential for modern life. Thank you.